Okay, let's dive into this resource investigation. We're looking at a massive problem, our crumbling 160-year-old utility grid.
And this brilliantly illustrates the solution, a $50 DIY asset that literally pulls pure water from thin air.
Stop paying those hidden utility debts. Hit like and subscribe right now for more crucial independence hacks.
Let's see how this builds. A standard tap water bill is a pure liability. This box, a financial asset.
This tech breakdown uses atmospheric condensation, turning any backyard into an off-grid plant generating 40 gallons daily.
Now, what's really interesting here is that 78.8% of users demand radical transparency about their water.
Exactly. The grid quietly passes billions in repair costs straight to you, making you a tenant to failing monopolies.
So the crucial point is this Lego-style blueprint distills moisture right from the air. It's an infinite reservoir.
It works even in 10% desert humidity using basic hardware running on 100% free solar power.
Time for an evidence moment. Mark in Arizona's lab results prove this water contains zero lead or forever chemicals.
It outperforms premium bottled brands. It's truly a financial escape hatch that pays for itself in just months.
Reclaim your water freedom today. Secure the official blueprints and those 3 free bonuses before they're gone.
Check the link in the description for the full blueprints. Will you remain a tenant or own your supply?